Alright, so here with this Emirates plane, the Special Liberty. I don't actually know what that definitely is not a normal Emirates. Not sure what this is. I'm not good at doing that, but I know it's an A380. Obviously, I know it's Emirates. I know it's a Special Liberty. I'm not sure. That's smooth, I guess. You could say. Yeah. So right now, it's United for okay. Oh, ANA. That sounds like a 787, maybe. Maybe a Dreamliner. I mean, of course, it's a 787. It's a Dreamliner. What am I saying? Oh yeah, that's. I don't actually know how good that is. Okay. Like, oh, I don't know that. What was the airline called? Condor? Can't actually read it. Yeah. It's Condor. I think that's how you pronounce it. Right? Yeah. Okay, it looks like a 767. Boeing 767. Not sure its type. But if there are types, but I think there are. I'm not sure. It's landing. Yeah, that it doesn't look smooth because because the gear goes in the opposite direction of what normally it does. So I'm not really sure how to rate that. Okay, oh, it's taking off. Okay, that's another A380. Yeah. Really nothing to say about this, but yeah. That was a weird camera change. Okay. Oh, looks like there's some crosswind there. Okay, I cannot tell what that is. I think that's 787. Not sure though. See? Come on. Oh, that wasn't great. Was it great? I couldn't tell. Like the one we went up. Okay, yeah, it's an A380. Not A380. What am I saying? No, it's 787. ANA apparently. Okay. That's a. Wait, no, did I just call that an A380? Wait, I did. Wait, I'm confused now. What did I say? It's a Dreamliner. But that's an A380. Wait, I'm confused now. What? Okay. It's an A330. Yep, of course, it's smooth. Yeah, it looks like a 200. Does not look. I don't think that's a A380 or an A380 Neo. That looks like a. It's like an Neo. No, not a Neo. Oh my god. I actually cannot tell what aircraft that is. Okay, they cut to the takeoff. Okay. Nothing really special about this. It's just a takeoff. At the same airport, actually. But that runway is really weird. Okay. Nothing. Okay, it's taking off. Maybe that's an A380? Not 80. 30. I cannot tell. It actually would be cool for plane spotting. Is that the same aircraft? Is that the same takeoff? Or is that a different takeoff from a different... Is that the same takeoff from a different angle? Or a different takeoff? On the same runway and the same time and the same... Okay. Well, that actually is a kind of steep climb. Okay, Emirates A380. Emirates always has special liveries on their A380. I feel like. I feel like I haven't not seen a single one that has special livery. Like all of them. Wait, is that? Yeah, that's Emirates. 2020. Okay. That was a smooth landing, I guess. Wait, what? What airline was that? I saw the tail of something. Oh. Oh my god. What was it? A340. A340. Yeah, A340. Oh my god. It's like the one that's like doesn't have the tiny engines because like it has the. Well, I forgot what type it was. It's landing. See? It's kind of like an A330 except you add a couple engines, making it longer than that. That was okay, I guess. That was pretty good, actually. Yeah, wait, is this the last landing? I can't tell. Oh no. No, it's not. Okay. Same aircraft. Okay. Engines, of course. Oh, that's a special. Is that a special liberty? I can't tell what airline that is though, so I can't tell. Oh, it's an A321 there for the earrings. I think that's A3. Ethan. Oh, it's an A330. That was okay. That actually was kind of not great. The first back gear thing touched it, but then like it went down really quickly. That does not seem very good. No, Etihad. Oh, Etihad. I always forget if it's Etihad or Etihad. Oh, Etihad. I don't know. Is that the same aircraft? That looks like the same aircraft. Oh, it's Delta here. I'm confused what this is actually. I'm guessing this isn't in America though, because I only have seen one American aircraft, which I barely saw. It was Delta. But yeah. Yep. Is that the same aircraft just like taking off again? Was it landing? I think, yeah, the last time we saw it was landing, right? I'm guessing that's the same aircraft. Maybe. I'm not sure. Okay. Oh, finally a not special livery. And it seems I don't know what's happening. Okay, it's landing. Okay. Okay. It's landing. Just wanted to take you this time. Oh no. I just want to take this time to make sure to tell you guys to go check out my other channel. It's called Mr_VR_boy. I'll have a link in the description if you want to see that. But yeah. Oh my. What is happening? There's something happening outside right now. But Emirates. Yep. Yeah, really nothing special. Okay. You didn't have to show this whole pod, you realize. You could, like, cut around it. So this pod isn't here. Like, yeah. I'm trying to hit 50 subscribers by the end of the year. It's not looking so good. We have like a little more than 100 days left. At least at the time that I'm recording this, 107 days until I'm flying to Hawaii. I know that's gonna be. It didn't even. Okay. But what was I saying? I was saying, wait, flying to Hawaii. And I have another channel, and one of my videos. So I don't know. I don't know when I'm gonna actually make something on it. But why airplanes? I don't even know. Random real life things. But yeah. So I guess that was literally just the gear going down and the whole and then a little bit of time. That was kind of weird. That's landing. Well, I'm not sure if that is the same aircraft, but it's landing. That's all I know. But yeah. Just okay. Yeah, it's landing. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Okay. Wow. I want to see the inside of that, actually. That must have been insane. Wow. Okay. I think we have just about one more landing. Wait, that's not even a special liberty, I don't think. Is that a special liberty? I can't tell. No. Emirates. Yeah, one last land. That does not seem like a landing. Oh, wait, no, it's the outro for this video. Well, oh, and I guess I can use this. Well, make sure, guys, to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Turn notifications, I guess. But, cause we're gonna have to wait for this to be over, so, yeah, there's really nothing happening, but it's just planes. It's a lot of planes, actually. No, I think it's like fast forward. Oh, yes. It's ending.